Welcome back. Are you tired of struggling to transport your bikes to the trail? Today, we are breaking down the top 3 best bike racks on the market to help you hit the road faster and safer. Whether you have heavy e-bikes or a small sedan, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the heavy-duty champion, the CyberRack E2 Plus e-bike rack. If you own heavy electric bikes, this is your ultimate pick. It boasts a massive 200-pound total weight capacity and easily handles fat tires up to 5 inches wide. What really sets the E2 Plus apart is the included foldable ramp, saving your back from any heavy lifting. It fits standard 2-inch hitch receivers and features a clever 3-position foldable design. This means you can tilt it down to access your trunk, flat for transport, or fold it up completely against your car when empty. With a 4.6-star rating, it's a premium, ultra-secure option for serious riders. Next on our list is the MaxxHaul platform bike rack. This hitch-mounted tray carrier is perfect for SUVs, vans, and trucks. If you want a stable platform but are on a tighter budget, this is a fantastic choice. Fitting standard 2-inch hitch receivers, it supports up to 75 pounds total. The adjustable hooks and tire cradles accommodate most standard bikes with wheelbases up to 63 inches. It features a built-in locking knob to minimize wobble during transit, giving you a remarkably smooth ride. Plus, the vertical post is completely removable, making it very easy to store in your garage when you aren't using it. Finally, we have our most versatile and budget-friendly option, the Allen Sports Deluxe 2-bike trunk mount rack. Don't have a hitch on your car? No problem. Its patented design fits sedans, hatchbacks, minivans, and SUVs perfectly. It comes fully assembled, installs in seconds using a secure strap system, and holds up to 70 pounds. With padded lower frames to protect your vehicle's paint and a design that folds completely flat, it's the ultimate grab-and-go solution for any weekend trip. To recap, go with the CyberRack E2 Plus if you need heavy-duty e-bike support with a ramp. Choose the MaxxHaul for an affordable and stable hitch platform. Or pick the Allen Sports Deluxe for a quick, hitch-free trunk mount that fits almost any car. Check the links in the description for the latest prices. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more gear reviews, and happy riding!